Hi, my name is Roberta Tom. I'm from the Navajo Reservation. I live in Phoenix, Arizona. I was born and raised on the Navajo Reservation. Right now, I'm in aviation. I work full time for the aerospace industry as a procurement buyer. In my free time, I have a merchandise shop that I create merchandise out of my art. And recently, I finished a children's book. It's called Bebe Bear and Her Dream Adventures at Masani's. And yeah, just expanding my creativity.
What is the recipe for your favorite Navajo dish?
Um, my favorite dish, it's called neshinji. And just to get the corn the way you want it, it's called steam corn. And then they dehydrate it. So in the end of the harvest season, they steam it underground. They bring it back up, and then they dehydrate it, and they shuck the dry kernels off, and they store it for like the winter or the following spring. But when you make that dish, you make it in a crock pot or in a huge pot overnight with this dried steamed corn. You put that in, and you put like the backbone of a sheep or a goat in with it, and then you fill it up with water, and you let that simmer all night. And it by the time morning comes around, like the next afternoon, it's really tender. The corn gets rehydrated, and it just the steamed corn has a distinct taste to it from it being steamed underground and then dehydrated. So that's my favorite. And then my mom makes the best fried bread, so we have it with that. It's really good. But that's my favorite dish from back home.